Namaste and welcome to my video. This is Aparna. I'm a midwife and yoga teacher. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about benefits of yoga or impact of yoga in pregnancy. You may be more used to of watching pregnancy yoga videos, but have you ever wondered what benefits scientifically it can offer? So this video is suitable for professionals and pregnant women alike. You will be inspired to encourage women to practice yoga during pregnancy. Where I live in Ireland, it is like a norm. Even maternity hospitals have pregnancy yoga classes that women can join. And most of the my clients, who are pregnant, they do go for yoga classes. So let's dive deep into what can be the benefits of yoga in pregnancy. As you can imagine, yoga is about union of body, mind, and soul. And you're creating a new soul during pregnancy. It's amazing. I just feel that it's the most beautiful time in the life of a woman when she is making a new life, making a beautiful baby inside her own body. So, wouldn't it be lovely to connect in a whole new way with yoga, with meditation, and spending time where she can actually appreciate her own body and a growing body inside her body? So I'm going to share my slides, and with those slides, you will see different aspects of yoga that can affect women during pregnancy. Okay, so now I'm going to share in this video about what is yoga and what is prenatal yoga, and what are the benefits of yoga for mother and fetus, and what does the evidence-based information or science says about yoga. Bear with me. So the objective of today's class is that after this, attending this session with me on YouTube, you will be able to recognize the need of prenatal yoga during pregnancy. You will be able to reiterate benefits of yoga and pranayama for pregnant women and apply this knowledge towards encouraging mothers to practice breathing exercises, pranayama, yoga asanas during and after pregnancy, and explain the scientific evidence based information on the fetal outcome of practicing prenatal yoga. And you will be able to identify your role as a healthcare professional, or if you're watching as a mother, what is your role in promoting prenatal yoga. So if you are a mother, you should practice prenatal yoga. If you're a professional, you should promote prenatal yoga for pregnant women. And you can even demonstrate basic pregnancy yoga asanas if you are a yoga practitioner. So, significant physical, mental, and emotional changes occur during pregnancy. And due to its very nature, what it will do is it will affect the whole environment where fetus is growing. And also, it will affect mother's psyche, so it will affect mother and fetal well being. Mother's health is connected with the fetus, and fetus health is connected with the mother. So they both will be affected by practicing yoga. So every effort should be made by all healthcare professionals to encourage women to practice yoga. And every effort should be made to keep women's physical and mental health to the optimum. In India, even Ayush Ministry is established for promotion of yoga and including yoga in health science. So it has become part of the healthcare system. Pregnant women can benefit from regular yoga, pranayama, and meditation practice. And let's explore why they should be doing this yoga. Why this is the best and the right choice for mother and baby both. Safe motherhood is linked with primal prevention. The foundation for safe motherhood is laid in pregnancy health. and pre-pregnancy health. So before even she decided that I want to have a baby, although 50% of pregnancies are unplanned, so in those cases we don't know what happened, but otherwise, the pre-pregnancy health, uh, women should be practicing yoga even when they're planning to become pregnant. And there should be emphasis on proper nutrition and a healthy lifestyle, and it should continue with appropriate prenatal care, the prevention of complications, and the early and effective treatment of complications. So, what is yoga? Why there is so much fuss about yoga all around the world, and not only now, for ages, for centuries. According to Bhagavad Gita, which is a very sacred ancient scripture, it says Yogastha Kuru Karmani Sangam Tyaktva Dhananjaya Siddhaya Siddhayo Samobhutva Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Be steadfast in the performance of your duty. O Arjun, abandoning attachment to success and failure, such equanimity is called yoga. So simply you can say yoga is practice of equanimity. And what is mother's duty? It is her duty to look after her health so that she can provide this vessel, her own body, for this beautiful baby to grow in a healthy environment. According to Patanjali, who is considered father of yoga, yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. So yoga means union. It's the restraining of the mind stuff. Chitta is the mind stuff. Vritti is when mind is taking various forms of thought waves. And nirodha means stopping. So stopping the thought waves in the mind is considered yoga. What is prenatal yoga? Yoga is more than physical exercise. It is a holistic approach to body and mind. And only when mother is fully present and she is connecting with her inner self, then she is in the ultimate state of union. For pregnant women, it is also important to include father, the father of the child, in this union. So imagine a mother, father, and this unborn baby. Is that not an ultimate union? So, yoga is the practice of this ultimate union. Pregnancy is a perfect union of mother, father, and baby. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So, let's talk more serious stuff about benefits of prenatal yoga. If someone practices yoga throughout pregnancy, it can reduce their level of stress because pregnant women are notorious for feeling stressed and anxious on every little thing. Even if somebody is sharing their own experience that, oh, I had a difficult labor, I needed a cesarean section, or whatever somebody's saying, and they immediately internalize that and they start to feel that it can happen to them. So it will reduce the maternal stress and anxiety. It has been found that maternal stress lead to negative pregnancy outcomes, such as those who are very stressed out in a serious level, they can experience miscarriage, preterm birth, or intrauterine growth retardation, and many other complications such as pregnancy-induced hypertension. If we look at the benefits of prenatal yoga according to Baby Center, yoga helps you face the physical demands of labor, birth, and new motherhood. Because when you are pregnant, your body is taking this extra toll, growing this new baby. During labor, your body works so hard to give birth to this baby. And then after birth, there is 24 by 7 responsibility for this new creature in your life. So, yoga teaches how to breathe deeply and consciously and relax. Yoga teaches you how to breathe in awareness. This is one of the first thing women learn in yoga class. But even more so, Pregnancy yoga teaches breathing techniques that can be used even during labor. Some pregnancy yoga techniques like Ujjayi, which is a loud breath, you take in air slowly through your nose, fill your lungs as you expand your belly, then exhale completely through the nostril. I will do and I have done more videos on pregnancy yoga, but this video is mainly understanding the benefits of pregnancy yoga. So, prenatal yoga primes women's body for labor and childbirth. Once they learn Ujjayi breath, their lungs are prepared. They're not afraid of this pain that is for a gain. So, pain for the gain. Body starts to produce adrenaline and may produce less oxytocin if we are feared in labor, if we have anxiety about giving birth. So, a hormone that makes labor progress is called oxytocin. Regular yoga practice will help woman's body to resist the urge to tighten up, because in yoga you always expand, you open your arms, you raise your arms, you expand your chest, you expand your body, and you find comfort and ease and relaxation. So body is less tensed up, less tight, and so body is better equipped to handle that stressful situation that naturally comes with labor. Yoga also lowers the risk for mother and her baby. According to a review of 10 research studies, prenatal yoga lowered the chance of having pregnancy complications, excess pain and stress levels, and possibly even the risk of having a baby who is small for gestational age. So there is a lot of evidence-based information on the benefits of prenatal yoga. There was a study done in 2019, which was a mixed method study on young women regarding the acceptability and benefits by Stiles A. et al. And they found that for those who did participate in the yoga session, they reported less distress. They reported increased skill for labor and birth. And also, all study participants identified perceived benefits, and the yoga participant identified these as improved relaxation, reduced psychological distress, labor preparation, bonding with their baby in the uterus. So, even though baby is inside, but it is still your baby, and social connectedness with the yoga group peers. So if you're joining a local community yoga class, you are having, prenatal yoga class where all other pregnant women are coming, so you make friends with them. And so it is highly recommended that pregnant women practice yoga in local community setting in group classes. The effect of yoga on the delivery and neonatal outcomes in nulliparous pregnant women in Iran in a clinical trial study. So nulliparous means it is a first time mother. She has never given birth before. So this study was done on those women. And the outcome, as they are clear from the table, that natural birth was more prevalent in yoga group, 82.9%. Cesarean section was less prevalent in yoga group, which is 22.9%. Use of local anesthesia was more prevalent, 80%, but use of general anesthesia was less prevalent, 14.3%. Induction of labor was less prevalent, and preterm delivery was less. So, if we look at this study, which was done in Iran, the mean duration of labor from the onset of pain until the natural labor was less in women who practiced yoga. So, it was 3.1. And those who were in control group, they didn't practice yoga, it was 4.91, which is a statistically significant. Furthermore, yoga exercises significantly affected the Apgar score, which is the first score that is done on the baby when as soon as they're born, in the first to 5 minutes after giving birth. And they were significantly better for the women who practiced yoga, and it was statistically significant. The results showed that yoga exercises significantly affected the infant birth weight in nulliparous women. So the mean birth weight of the infants in the yoga group was higher than the control group, which was low, like it was a low birth weight babies. The mean and the standard deviation of the gestational age at delivery. So women who were in yoga group, they gave birth at the right time, which is 38.9, which is kind of, when babies fully mature. There are some contraindications. So, if you are pregnant, if you are advising women about practicing yoga, they should always do it under the guidance of a trained yoga teacher, and if possible, under the direction of a midwife and a yoga teacher. So, poses or asanas that are not to be practiced are abdominal poses such as Navasana, Uttan Padasana, and core exercises, because your tummy muscles are stretching for a reason and you don't want to tighten them up by practicing these exercises. And you should not lie on your belly for Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, and Dhanurasana if you're more than 12 weeks pregnant. Poses that are where you are expected to lie straight on your back, so you should avoid doing that for long duration because your blood pressure can suddenly drop and you can experience dizziness. Avoid Kapal Bhati Pranayama because again it works on your core abdominal muscles and it can cause problem with your growing belly. So these are the references that I have used to explain you all the benefits of practicing yoga during pregnancy. You can follow Shubh Connections on social media. I'm on Instagram as Aparna Shukla and YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and give me a thumbs up. And also write in the comment what was the most interesting fact about yoga in pregnancy that you saw from in this video. And I want to express my deepest gratitude to Mrs. Alka Saxena. She's principal in College of Nursing in Gorakhpur, and she has inspired me to create this video. So a huge thank you to her, and hopefully on her demand I will bring more videos like this. So kudos to all students studying in this College of Nursing Gorakhpur. All the best for your studies, and if I can be of any use, please let me know. Namaste, and we will meet again soon. So hope you enjoyed this video. This was all about yoga and its benefits. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Give me a thumbs up and like and share and subscribe. Namaste. Keep practicing yoga. Keep spreading good health. Good health, preventative practice of health is always beneficial.